Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a badass 1968 Chevy Nova.
It's still on fast idle, but that's all right. I just warmed her up.
This thing's badass.
Yeah, I was just telling Dalton here. This is the epitome of an awesome car that I want to drive this summer. This makes me so happy.
Yeah, it makes you
nice
excited
weather,
for summer. Yeah.
high horsepower, beautiful car, and I just can't wait to jump in and drive them all summer long.
And the neat thing with this Nova is it's got all the horsepower, the sound, but it's just super crisp too. And I'm hoping that, you know, the time of day that we're taking this video, I'm hoping the color and the quality of this Nova come through as it does in person. It's a real
pastel yellow. It's not bright at all.
It's just a nice, crisp.
It's original color too, so I mean it's pretty cool. Code YY. That says 300 horsepower, and she's definitely got more than that. But Dalton hit the nail on the head when he said crisp. This car, around the edges, in the jams, trunk jam, every part of it chrome, is just a nice, show quality, crisp car. Guy spent a ton of money restoring this one. You can tell it was always a very, very solid car from the start. You did the undercarriage pictures on this one, Dalt. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, real nice, solid, original underneath.
And we don't see too many 68s. We see a lot of 69 to 72s, but we don't see a lot of 68s. Now this one has all the Super Sport emblems. It's got the SS in the front. It's got the SS steering wheel, the hood pods, Super Sport down low. It is not a real SS, so it is a clone or tribute car, but done very, very tastefully. We put the brand new wheels and tires on. They have literally 2 miles on them right now. So beautiful 17s. They're 215, 50, 17s on the front. Again, the bottom of the car is just as nice as the top. Rocker panel, bottom of the doors, quarters all look good. Back of the hood looks beautiful. We put the chrome wheel lip moldings on as well. Does have a set of air shocks on it. As far as the back bumper's been replaced, the tail light lenses and stuff looks nice. Trunk lid looks awesome. It's nice and lined up. It's got beautiful, looks like 3-inch dual exhaust. Laser straight body. Door handles are nice. Look at the jam paint. This tells you everything you need to know about the car. You can tell the door jam paint is as nice as the paint on the exterior car. Bench seat interior, column shift, Super Sport wheel. Does have an Alpine CD player, aftermarket gauges. It's got the SS on the dash pad as well. Door panels are all replaced. Rubbers are all new. Headliner's new. It's got 6x9s in the back. Again, front door panels, back door panels. They really didn't skimp on any of it.
No, and the trunk tells a lot of the story as well, just like the door jams. Just really clean.
Yeah, look at the speckling in the trunk. Looking for a nice Nova. I'll tell you what, this one sure looks nice. Rear quarter panel's in great shape. Over the wheel well's nice. It's got just this little scuff here. I don't know if that'll puff out or not, but it's got just a little scratch or scuff right there. Very small. Bottom of the door lines up to the quarter, excellent. Lower fender rockers in great shape. Back side of the hood's good. Chrome's excellent, all new felts and stuff, and they did a beautiful job when they put those together. the door. It's a beautiful car, something you can jump in and enjoy. As far as the miles on the odometer is 47,227. Gauges crystal clear as far as the lens goes. Go ahead and
Jump in and enjoy is exactly what we're gonna do right now.
I'm excited. Dome light works too when you open the door. Okay. Wipers work. Let's see what else we got here. The heater fan works.
Nice.
Really nice Super Sport wheel, like I said, and even on the dash pad. I mean, SS everywhere on it. They did a beautiful tribute when they did it. And they put nice speakers in the front, which is nice. Like I said, just very nicely done.
The sound though, and remember how impressed we were when we drove it the first time? Thing is sweet.
It's awesome. Like I said, right now it's idling about 1,000 RPM. I think it's still on fast idle. We got 60 pounds oil pressure at an idle at 1,000 RPM. Charging at 14 volts, and temp isn't up yet. I hate that nothing ever comes in. No one even hooks up
Stations.
radios
Oh, I
anymore.
know.
They just use CD player and source.
Yeah, but it's
basically
got
your Bluetooth, right? Your
yeah, it's got
auxiliary,
aux, Bluetooth audio.
Yeah.
Yep.
Who
Yeah.
even wants to hear this? Even though it's got a hell of a stereo system, who cares?
Yeah.
I don't want to turn it on.
No.
How about a 700 R4 or a 4-speed automatic tranny in this thing too?
Yeah. It's nice. It's got some great upgrades.
So with that, you can have these awesome gears in here and still have tons of torque, but they go down the road so nice too on the highway.
Yeah.
Aren't you excited for spring and summer?
I
man?
am. It feels like it's coming.
Well, just being behind the wheel of a fun, badass muscle car like
Oh,
this
yeah.
little 68, and you also said, Dalton, yes, it's a high horsepower muscle car, but they did it to like a show quality 307 standard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like a lot of people just don't make them this nice.
Yeah. St. Paul's. Wow.
You know,
And
with
that's
that
not even going-
transmission, it just keeps that high RPM
Yeah.
the whole way through.
And that's not even going through the gears. That's just hammer the foot feet and drive. Thing is nasty.
And the brakes are awesome. They stop nice and straight. Just the sound. Gas gauge works as well. I don't think I mentioned that yet. You just want it.
What a car.
And look how the front end goes down the road. No power steering, no
Watch out for
problem.
this truck
Look
here.
at this.
It's sweet.
It's tight. It feels like a 47,000 original mile car. Let's roll up the windows and see if it's pretty tight in here.
Yeah, we go
My side's awesome.
Yeah.
The exhaust sounds different now with the windows up.
Yeah. Sounds sweet, man. Whatever.
Man, somebody is just gonna totally. We've had this car on the website for maybe since last Friday. I think I took a few quick pictures, so it's been up about 5 days. And as soon as this video gets up, I guarantee somebody's gonna be all over it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just kind of the quality of them. The drivetrain is just phenomenal. It's hard to get a drivetrain set up like this.
Yeah, I'll just go through the gears really quickly. You'll have to watch the speed. You can't. There's no reason.
You don't need to go through
No,
here. Just
you
put it
don't
in
need to
drive.
do that. Just
It
put
revs
it,
so fast.
put it in drive and,
Yeah.
and roll. Whoever did this 4-speed tranny has got it just set. There must be a pretty good stall in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
it just stays at the high RPMs when
Yeah.
it shifts.
Just a badass Nova. Whoever buys it's gonna.
I think the speedometer's pretty
Love it.
accurate too. 65 right now. 80. And look at this, one finger on the wheel. And right before you said, hey, don't hit that truck, you
Yeah,
had
no
no
hands.
hands on the wheel, but it drove perfectly straight.
It did, yeah. Absolutely. What a car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.